Agriculture jobs in private sector after BSc. The Bachelor of Science in Agriculture BSc is a 4-year degree program designed to provide students with the technical knowledge in crop raising, agriculture, chemicals, fertilizer, integrated pest management, seed conditioning and technology, and other areas related to production and quality control in the food. Scope. You have a lot of career built option after this program. But the problem is the most students are not aware of the BSc Agriculture scope in Pakistan. In order to explore the scope is front of you, I would like you to search for the geographical structure of Pakistani land. There is more than 50% land area is still barren, which needs to get a proper farming to cultivate a healthy crop. While if we talk about the current condition, you have know that more agriculture engineers have found many ways to get more and more crop from a limited piece of land. Subjects. Now we are reading about the BSc Agriculture subjects in Pakistan, which a candidate has to study during 4 years in 8 semesters. Different universities have different criteria for the subjects, so that is why we are just denoting the major subjects of BSc Agriculture in Pakistan. The agriculture BSc honors subjects are Introduction to Agriculture, Introduction to Food Sciences, Introduction to Horticulture, Introduction to Soil Science, Rural Sociology, Wildlife Management, Food Processing and Preservation, Agriculture Economics, Field Crop Production, Plant Pathogen, Introductory Genetics, Environmental Sciences, agriculture economics, crop water management, agriculture economics, soil sciences, farm mechanization, irrigation and drainage, entomology, agronomy. Admission requirements. After reading about BSc Agriculture subjects in Pakistan, if any student wants to get the degree of BSc in Agriculture, then he should know the main and important eligibility criteria for getting the admission in BSc Agriculture. All those students who are in the favor of taking admission in BSc Agriculture, they must have to pass their 12 years of education. The student also have to pass through some entry test as well. But this fact can just be possible with the private institutions. Their past educational documents should be stamped from some well-known universities and colleges. The abroad and foreign based students are required to submit the certificate attested by Ministry of Education along with the admission forms. When students get enriched with the degree of agriculture, then there are a wide ranges of career options after BSc Agriculture that open the gateway for the bright future. Agriculture researcher, agriculture consultant, agriculture advisor, fertilizer supplier, agricultural management, forensic science manager, agriculture scientist, laboratory advisor, natural resource manager, natural resource advisor, ecologist. Salary after BSc Agriculture honors. Well, the starting salary after BSc Agriculture in Pakistan start from 25,000 to 35,000 per month. Different companies pay different packages, but it is an average ongoing salary, while the maximum BSc Agriculture salary in Pakistan can touch more than 1 lakh per month. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.